Hello class, in this video lecture we are studying about the chapter metals and non-metals, in which we will see today how the metal is extracted from their source, which is known as ores. The summarizely the methods of extracting the metals from their source or ores is known as metallurgy. Metallurgy means the methods which are used to extract the metals from ores. As you know, ores are the sources of metals which are also known as minerals. Okay, so the metallurgy contains some steps to which I will discuss today with you. The very first method of metallurgy or extracting the metal is crushing the ore. The second method is concentration of ore, and the next one is conversion of concentrated ore into metal oxide. Okay, in the very first method it is crushing the ore. The next one is concentration of ore. The next one is conversion of concentrated ore into metal oxide, and the last one is reduction of metal oxide into metal. Okay, so one by one here we will discuss these all methods which are commonly used in the extraction of every metal. Okay, these are common methods to which we have to use to get the metal from their sources, which are known as ores. The very first one method is crushing or grinding the ore. What is the crushing or grinding the ore? As you know that ore is found in the mines in the very big lumps which contains soils, sands, stones and metal combinedly. These bigger stones having metal, first they are crushed into the mechanical grinder called क्रशर्स, जिसको आप इस फिगर में देख सकते हैं. इट इज़ अ मैकेनिकल ग्राइंडर in which lumps of ores are kept for crushing, by which we can get the crushed ore. This mechanical assembly is known as jaw crusher. Okay, it is used for ore grinding. Now the crushed ore then concentrated to get the separated amount of ore which have the metal in more and more amount. This method is known as concentration of ore. What is the concentration of ore? Actually, this method depend upon the reactivity of metal and the impurities. Different metals are concentrated in the different ways. जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला था कि सारी मेटल्स के लिए हम एक ही मेथड यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. अलग अलग मेटल्स को सेपरेट करने के लिए उनके ओर से वी हैव टू यूज़ द डिफरेंट मेथड्स. द ओर्स आर एसोसिएटेड विद इम्प्योरिटीज लाइक सैंड्स, stones, clay, etc., which are called gangue or matrix. The process of removal the gangue from the ore is known as the concentration of ore. The very first method which is used to concentrate the ore is known as hydraulic washing or gravity separation. इस मेथड को हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब किसी ओर और उसमें पाए जाने वाले मेटल की डेंसिटी में डिफरेंस होता है. इन दिस मेथड द ओर इज spreaded on a inclined table called Willi table, on which the water is pressurized from the upper side, and then the gangue or matrix or impurity of the ore is separated out with water. In this method, the mixture of ore and gangue particles are placed on a wooden table having grooves. On passing a stream of water from one end, the lighter gangue particles get washed away and the heavier ore particles down into the grooves. ठीक है, इस टेबल में छोटे छोटे ग्रूव्स बने होते हैं जिसमें हम इस टेबल पर जब हम ओर्स को फैला देते हैं और ऊपर से बहुत तेज़ प्रेशर में जब वाटर को डाला जाता है तो ओर के हैवी पार्टिकल्स नीचे इन ग्रुप्स में फंस जाते हैं और लाइटर पार्टिकल्स वाटर के साथ होकर अलग निकल जाते हैं, जिसमें मोस्टली जो इम्प्योरिटीज़ होती हैं वो रिमूव हो जाती हैं. द नेक्स्ट मेथड इज़ फ्रोद फ्लोटेशन मेथड. In this method, it is used for the sulfide ores like galena and zinc blend, means ZnS, in which it is the method which is based upon the wetting qualities of the impurities and also the ores. कई बार जब हम ओर को वेट करते हैं ऑयल से या वाटर से तो ओर में कुछ इम्प्योरिटीज़ ऑयल में वेट हो जाती हैं और कुछ इम्प्योरिटीज़ वाटर से वेट हो जाती हैं. तो इस तरीके से हम आसानी से ओर और इम्प्योरिटीज़ को सेपरेट आउट कर सकते हैं. इसके लिए हम जो मेथड यूज़ करते हैं ये होता है फ्रोद फ्लोटेशन प्रोसेस. दिस मेथड इज़ नोन एज फ्रोद फ्लोटेशन प्रोसेस. ठीक है, अब इसमें जैसा कि आपको ये फिगर में दिखाया गया है, इन दिस मेथड अ टैंक containing water and pine oil in which an assembly is used which is used to send the air as air blast, by which the mixture of water and pine oil make a heavy amount of froth on the surface of water, in which the ore particles are wet and come out with the fin on the surface of the tank, and the heavier particle, that is gangue or matrix, are separate out on the bottom of the tank. From this tank the froth is separate out, in which ore is present in heavy amount and the gangue is separated by this method easily. इस मेथड में हम जो ओर यूज़ करते हैं वो जनरली सल्फाइड ओर होता है. सल्फाइड ओर ऑफ एनी मेटल, जैसे कि जिंक सल्फाइड या लेड सल्फाइड. लेड सल्फाइड मीन्स गैलेना और जिंक सल्फाइड जैसा कि आपने पढ़ा है जिंक ब्लेंड. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट मेथड ऑफ सेपरेटिंग द impurities from the ore to concentrate it is called magnetic separation. In this method the ore of the metals having the magnetic properties is separated out from the impurities by using two magnetic wheels containing assembly called magnetic roller, in which the ore is kept on the strap which is fixed on the magnetic wheels, and when जब ये ओर का क्रस्ट पाउडर इस मैग्नेटिक व्हील्स से आकर नीचे की तरफ गिरता है तो मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी रखने वाला ओर का पार्ट व्हील के पास जाके इकट्ठा होता है, जबकि नॉन मैग्नेटिक पार्टिकल्स व्हील से थोड़ा सा दूर हट के इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं। और इस तरीके से हम इस मैग्नेटिक प्रॉपर्टी कंटेन करने वाले ओर को आसानी से इम्प्योरिटीज़ से सेपरेट आउट कर सकते हैं। ठीक है। नाउ देर आर सम केमिकल मेथड्स also which are used to separate out the impurities of the ores from them. In this method, actually this method is known as leaching process. Okay, this method is also known as leaching process, in which the suitable chemical compound is used which react with the impurities, and then impurities can be separated out very easily from the ore, and we can get the metal or metal oxide. This method is used in the metallurgy of generally the aluminium metal, and the method used is known as Bayer's process. इसको हम यहाँ स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझेंगे। एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड, जो कि एल्यूमिनियम का एक और है जिसको हम बॉक्साइड भी कहते हैं, इट इज़ ट्रीटेड विद सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और सोडियम और NaOH, which gives us the sodium meta-aluminate or NaAlO2 with water. This sodium meta-aluminate is then treated with water and HCl to make the precipitate of aluminum hydroxide, and sodium chloride is separated out in the second step. Now the aluminum hydroxide is heated to obtain pure alumina, which is actually the aluminium oxide Al2O3, okay, with the production of water molecules. ठीक है. So in this process we can easily separate the aluminium oxide from its ore called bauxite. Okay. Now in the next video we will study some more methods to extract the metal from the ores. Thank you.